Meanwhile, the parliament session that is on, the opposition members of parliament continue with their protests. It's a showdown over the suspension of the opposition MPs. There was a protest march that was organized and that was led by Rahul Gandhi, who also took part in that protest from the Gandhi statue, which is inside the parliament premises, to Vijay Chowk, just about outside the parliament. Now, the opposition has been demanding the revocation of 12 MPs who were suspended for the whole winter session. And remember, they have been protesting through the session demanding the same. There was another stormy day in the parliament. Opposition members of parliament gathered for the protest. Rahul Gandhi lashed out at the Modi government, calling this suspension as the death of democracy, saying that debate and discussion in the House was being stifled by this incumbent government.
This is a symbol of the democracy of this country. This is a symbol of the crushing of the voice of the people of India. We are not allowed to discuss important issues in Parliament. We are not allowed to debate things in Parliament. The Prime Minister doesn't come to the House. And any time we want to raise an issue of national importance, we are just not allowed to do so. It's a very unfortunate killing of democracy that is taking place.
सरकार सुनने को तैयार नहीं। आज हमने जब सुबह से आंदोलन शुरू किया सदन में, हमारी क्या मांग थी? हमने इतना ही कहा कि सेव डेमोक्रेसी एंड वी वांट जस्टिस। लेकिन डेमोक्रेसी और जस्टिस से दो शब्द सरकार सुनना नहीं चाहती।
Let's go across now to my colleague Supriya Bhardwaj, who's been speaking to the opposition members of parliament. Supriya, over to you. I can see that just about adjacent to you, there are some members of parliament. What are they still saying? Why are the Congress netas still agitating? What do they want? Over to you, Supriya.
Well, Pooja, the entire opposition today was present at the Vijay Chowk. They started their march from the Gandhi statue and came here to the Vijay Chowk. I've been joined by two MPs who have been suspended, one from TMC, Dola Senji, and another being Mr. Nasir Hussain from the Congress party. First to you, Mr. Hussain. You guys walked here at the Vijay Chowk and also lashed out at the government as far as the farmers' issue is concerned. Suspension still continues. What would be your next move?
See, this government is dictatorial, it's autocratic, it doesn't want to hear the voices from the opposition. All the opposition parties in unison have said no business till these 12 MPs are taken back. We have on different occasions said that we have not been given any chance to defend ourselves. We don't know what are the charges against us, and this is something which happened in the last session. But none from the government, including the chairman, has approached us or sent word to us, and as usual, the business is being disrupted in the House.
Mr. Gandhi also came here and said that again and again you guys are trying to raise the issue, including that of Lakhimpur Kheri, and Parliament, it seems, is soon turning into a museum. What do you have to say on that one?
Exactly. No? See, Parliament is there for debate, discussion, to raise issues of the people concerning issues concerning the people of our country. This is the place where the decisions are taken. This is the highest level of decision making in our country. If you don't allow people to discuss, if you don't allow people to talk, then it is becoming a museum. So everything, वो हम कहते थे ना, हम सुना था कि 47 में ऐसा हुआ करता था, 70s में ऐसा हुआ करता था, 80s में फलाने लीडर ने फलाना बोला, अब यही बन के रह गया है. There's nothing like what is happening now. It's something of the past. That's how Rahul Gandhi wanted to confirm that it is fast turning into a museum.
The issue of Lakhimpur, he even hit at the Prime Minister and the Ganga Stan, which was there. Now BJP is rattled and hitting back at the Congress party. What's your take on it?
See, Lakhimpur Kheri, from day one we have been saying that it's a conspiracy to muzzle the voices, conspiracy to demean people those are sitting on a satyagraha. It's a conspiracy to finish off the Kisan movement. It's a conspiracy to sell off the lands of the Kisan to the corporate sector. Now that the SIT has come out with a report, the MOS should resign, and so also the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh.
Well, I have also been joined by Dola Senji. Ma'am, what's your take on it? You said also that democracy is being killed. You are also wearing this placard saying democracy is being killed. Mr. Gandhi said that the Parliament building is soon turning into a museum. What's your take on it, ma'am?
2019 पे 303 पाने का बाद उनका एरोगेंस बहुत बढ़ गया, ट्रेजरी का, मोदी जी का, और उन्होंने अपोजिशन को कुछ नहीं मानता, डेमोक्रेसी को तो कुछ नहीं मानता, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को कुछ नहीं मानता, लॉ को कुछ नहीं मानता। तो हमको सोचे ये है कि डेमोक्रेसी को फांसी के फंदा पर चढ़ा दी, ये हमको लगता है।
फांसी का फंदा आप लिखिए यहाँ,
फांसी का फंदा है, देखिए, इसके ऊपर डेमोक्रेसी को चढ़ा दी। और इसी की वजह उन्होंने हमको भी सस्पेंड किया। क्या ये संसद में अंदर ले जाना कोई अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल चीज़ हो सकता? क्या कोई अनपार्लियामेंट्री हो सकता? जो टेबल पे चढ़ा उसको नहीं मिला सस्पेंशन, क्योंकि पंजाब इलेक्शन है और हम ये ले गए, हमको सस्पेंड किया गया। यही तो डेमोक्रेसी को फांसी के फंदे पर चढ़ाया नहीं।
लखीमपुर खीरी का जो है जिक्र हो रहा है, उस पर क्या कहना है आपको?
लखीमपुर में हम गए और 2 दिन हम संसद है, फिर भी हमको टूरिस्ट बनना पड़ा, पंजाबी बनना पड़ा, किसी तरीका लेना पड़ा, तब हम घुस पाए। पूरा दिन एक बीत गया 14 घंटा गाड़ी पे। दूसरा दिन सुबह 4 बजे 5 बजे जब पुलिस ने नींद से नहीं उठी तब हम अंदर चले गए मार्टर्स के घर। तो ये डेमोक्रेसी का हालत रख दिया उन्होंने 75 ईयर्स आफ्टर द इंडिपेंडेंस। तो क्या बोले उनको, हम सिर्फ चाहते हैं जैसे वो कुचल के मारे कुत्ती बिल्ली की तरह, जैसे गाड़ी से उन्होंने कुचल के मारे ऑपोजिशन को और फार्मर्स को और आम जनता को, तो सिर्फ वो बेटे के नहीं, उसकी बाप को भी, जिसका गाड़ी है, वो गृह राज्य मंत्री है, उनका भी पनिशमेंट होना चाहिए। उसका पदत्याग सिर्फ नहीं, उनका भी जेल कस्टडी होना चाहिए। हमको विचार व्यवस्था के ऊपर आस्था है, भरोसा है, शायद सुप्रीम कोर्ट उनको देंगे।
Well, that is from ground zero here, Pooja, from the Vijay Chowk. Back to you in studio.
All right, very strong words there by the opposition members, specifically Dola Sen. But obviously at this point it appears that the opposition is very defiant and they will continue to protest against the suspension through the winter session. Supriya Bhardwaj getting us all the latest voices. Supriya, thank you for now.